Let's make a card. We're going to start by coloring our cute little image. This stamp comes from Crafty Stamp Co. and I love it. It's perfect for the holidays. And I'm using my beloved OLO markers. I'm going to start with my darker brown, which is my O4.6, and I'm going to lighten it up with my O4.3. I love this color combination, and I thought it was perfect to do this cute little gingerbread man. We're going to go through and also get his little arms, and then I'm just going to be using the dark, that O4.6, to do my hot chocolate. I'm going to leave the marshmallows alone. Once we're done with our hot chocolate, then we're ready to add our red. I did red on my candy cane and on his cute little bow tie. It's too precious. Love this. All right, next up, we're going to go through and do the little outfit. He's got a little jumper on, and I put him in a bright Christmas green. I love this with my YG 1.4 and also my 1.6 to finish it up. All right, now we're going to add some polka dots. So I'm going in with my B02. This is going to be my lighter of the two blues. And then I'm going to darken it up with my B0.3 and then go back around, outline out those polka dots. But I like to start with doing the outline of the polka dots in the lighter color and then fill it in with my darks as needed and go from there. Once we're done doing our cute little polka dots on our mug, I'm going to do the base of the mug and also our handle. Now we're ready to move on to the next part, which is going to be working on the rest of our decorations on our mug. So we have this cute little heart. I'm going to do the outline in yellow and then some bright pink. Got two different pinks. I've got my RV 1.5 and also my RV 1.3. Doing the darker on the bottom and the lighter on the top. And then we're going to finish up the cute little peppermint candy cane swirly thing with our green, and we're ready to add some pink cheeks and move on. So I've got some die cut circles. I'm using my seam markers to go through and get those colored so they're going to match my image perfectly. White card base folded in half, add some adhesive, add a dry embossed piece on top. Then we're going to take those cute little circles that were die cut, layer them together, foam adhesive behind our image, and we are ready to add our sentiment and a little bit of bling for fun. Be sure to like and follow.